Dito ako ngayon sa may Union Square between Powell Street and Stockton. Ayan na yung giant Christmas tree, may ilaw na. Katabi yan ng ice skating ring. Doon yung may ilaw na yun. Yan, ice skating yan. At ayan, tinan nyo yung Macy's. Meron na rin silang Christmas tree, mga decors. Nandyan yung Cheese Factory. Ayun, Cheese Factory. Nasa pinakataas yan. Pag kumain kayo, ayun yung Macy's na pangalan. Ayan yung pinaka-terrace nila. Oh, diba? Ayan. And then meron silang cafe dyan. Alright, there you go.